On this episode of SNR Motoring, I try not to get sick. Alright, so today we're going to start taking all these little doohickeys off and start connecting the rods to the crankshaft. When you're doing this, you're going to want to position your pistons so that they don't bind up on the crank. And then I guess we should have done this before we put the pistons in, but go ahead and put your bearings in so you can start measuring the clearances. Feeling?
Peachy Keen jelly bean.
Yeah. You eat some chicken noodle soup?
No, I don't like soup.
You don't like soup?
It's a wasted meal.
What are you talking about?
Bunch of broth. Who eats broth?
It's good for you. Makes you feel better when you're sick.
Oh, okay.
Chicken noodle soup. Get it?
I think so.
So we got all the rod caps installed, just finger tight for right now. So we're gonna go ahead and take them off and go ahead and check the clearances with some plastic gauge. You should really use, you know, micrometers and all that stuff, but we don't have any. So what I could gather from various internet sources is that the rod bearing clearance should be at a 0.0015. So we're going to go ahead and check these two rods that we've already torqued down. You can buy this shirt at snrmotoring.com for all you Supra people.
Who are watching a Conquest rebuild.
Yeah. They kind of look alike.
And just then, all of our Starion fan base just left. Why do you want to come off?
That's messed up.
Shut up.
This isn't going to be a very accurate reading, but it should give us an idea of where we're at. So let's see what we end up with these. So you can see the plastic gauge mark right there. Come on, extension cord. We really needed these set up. Go buy some merch.
What was it?
0.0015 inch. Looks like it to me.
And there goes my voice.
Oh. Well, that's the one that was.
Yeah. I mean, it looks like it's close, but yeah.
Looks pretty good to me. Yeah. Roll with it. So now we're gonna clean off the crank and the bearings, and then go ahead and install those caps again and torque them down. And then we're gonna rotate the crank and do 1 and 4. Before you torque your rod caps down, make sure you put plenty of lube on. Go ahead and smear it all in there. Get it good and lubed up. Ain't that right, Ramble?
That's right. Being sick.
Alright, so now that we got those two torqued down, we're going to rotate the crank and bring these to the top or the bottom, whatever you want to call it. And then we're going to check the clearances on those and do the same thing that we did with these and make sure everything's good to go.
They're good.
Alright, so we went ahead and did the plastic gauge to measure the clearance on number 1 and number 4, and they came out good as well. So now, we're, like before, we're going to go ahead and clean all this up and torque them down to spec and all that good stuff. Alright, so now that we've got the rod caps all torqued down, we're going to go ahead and spin the engine around, or the motor, the pistons around, and look at that. Does this count as part of the break-in process? No. So now we're going to check the connecting rod big end side clearance, and the measurements are in the factory service manual. So it says standard value is 0.0039 to 0.0098. Niner, eighter.
Ralph Nader. Vote for Nader. Vote for Nader.
So what you're basically looking for is to see if the rod moves back and forth, which it should. So then you just put the feeler gauge in there and just check the clearances. assembly is complete, I guess, right?
Yeah. Powered by Randall.
There you go. It's one Randall power.
One Randall.
Alright, that's going to do it for today. We got the rotating assembly completely done. So next, we're going to start on the front of the motor and doing all the oil pump and the timing and all that fancy stuff.
And remember, if you like this hat, this shirt, or many others, check out snrmotoring.com and get your very own.
And make sure you check out our Instagram and Facebook pages. We're actually doing 12 days of Christmas, which we're giving away free merchandise, and we're also doing different exclusive one-day discounts. So make sure you check those out so you can, maybe win some free stuff.
If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you hit that subscribe and like button.
It's over there somewhere. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
See ya.